Well, y'all, we've been snitched out. I'll show you the doorbell cam, but Plano PD just knocked on my door because somebody called them about the YouTube channel. There you go, dude. Snitches, bro. Snitches. You can't even have a channel, bro. People want to snitch you out, dude. They hate you, so they got to snitch you out. Oh, my God, dude. But he was super cool about it. Like, I got to give all respect to the Plano PD. Those guys are the most respectful, intelligent police officers on the planet, dude. These guys aren't your regular cops. They're good people, and I appreciate it a lot, the way that guy came in me. I got the doorbell cam over there, and I'll probably give you a little snippet of it. But he's like, I used to ride, dude. I know how it is, you know, just not in Plano. And he's like, we're not going to file any charges, you know, and he's like, but if you keep it up, they're going to get mad and have to. And these people, you know, dude, he watched all my videos. He's like, I know, man, I've seen all your videos. But he's like, I get it, but you ride like a maniac and we're the cops, so you gotta slow down. So, all right, I get it. But, bruh, dude, why are you hating on me, dude? I'm trying to, you just gotta hate on your boy, bro. Here's where I went wrong, right? I submitted my videos to Moto Madness, and I did that in an attempt to gain subscribers in the early days, because I didn't think about it. I didn't think of the ramifications. I just was like, oh, I'll let people know I have a channel by doing this, right? And then one day he posted 5 of my videos, and I got on everybody's radar, and they all just started hating on me, right? Which was cool. I don't fucking care. And honestly, it just became a thing, you know, like everybody on there loves to hate Angry D. Even videos I'm not in, they're, oh, thank God there's no Angry D on this one. Oh, they'll compare some other dude to me, you know. I'm not even in the fucking video, and they're calling me shitty. So, of course, I know that's where this stems from, because there's this one guy who's, oh, we're going to see what the cops think about it. He kept on and kept on and kept on about the Plano cops and the chief and all. And then all of a sudden, all of his comments were gone and his profile was gone, because he fucking hated that hard that he did all that and then snitched me out and then created a new profile just in case, like, I know some crazy hackers. Please, y'all, let's not do this. Just, love me for who I am and back the fuck off. Jesus Christ, dude. Watch the channel. If you don't like it, don't watch the channel. It's simple, man. You know, it's real simple. Watch the channel if you like it. Don't watch it if you don't like it. Watch it if you like it. Don't watch it if you don't like it. See? So just do that, okay? Golly, man. I might just shut this shit down completely, y'all. Fuck it. I don't know. It's a lot of work, and to have to deal with the cops and haters and assholes. I mean, dude, is it worth it? Is this shit fucking worth it? I don't know if it's fucking worth it. Like, dude, my house is a wreck right now. Like, my whole life is in shambles because I'm fucking spend all my time editing videos. And, like, this is the payoff, because we ain't monetized, you know? So if you guys want to help out, you want to support the channel, go to the shop, buy some merch, man. Help me pay for some of these tickets that are coming. Nah, but for real, I'm gonna be respectful in Plano, because they came to me like a gentleman. I would have done it anyway. They could have came to me and threatened to kill me, and I'd have been like, yes sir, you got it, sir. But they came to me awesome, so we're gonna do it awesome back and do the right thing and respect Plano. So love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll show you the doorbell cam here. I'll just edit it in. Fuck it. Boom. Back. Hey, are you? Yeah. Hey, back up. Work for Plano PD. Yeah, what's going on? Hey, man. So, we have you talked to any officers here in Plano?
No.
Okay.
Well, I mean...
Like, I guess recently?
No.
Okay. So we keep receiving complaints about, I guess, it worked its way up to admin, but, I guess they got onto, like, the YouTube channel and everything, and, admin is often concerned about the driving behavior.
Okay.
I get it. I don't
have to say no more.
I'm pro YouTube.
Yeah,
I also ride.
All
I want to ask you is, we're not going to file any charges on any of the stuff we see. Okay. The most concerning stuff, kind of coming from the top, is
obviously, because knee mirror smashing is bad.
Right. I've never broken, never break one because it's the guilt. I'm 45, so I'm not, you know what I mean? So I'm reasonable. You know what I mean?
No, you seem, I did my research, so you seem, I mean, you have no criminal history, which is good.
No, I'm a good boy. I just am a little reckless sometimes, maybe, possibly. I don't know if that's me in those videos or not.
Maybe it's not.
I don't think it is.
So, I hope not. So, the other stuff, obviously, is the speed and stuff, you know. Man, I mean, dude, I'm not going to say don't speed, you know. All I'm going to ask you, man, is if, I think if it probably continues,
they're going to get mad.
They're probably going to want to file stuff.
Yeah.
And it could be stupid stuff. Like, it may be them saying, hey, we're going to try to file Class C stuff like speeding or reckless driving. I don't think it needs to go there. So that's why I kind of told them, look, I'm going to swing by.
I appreciate that. I really do. Like, I tell everybody, like, I don't know, like, my city, y'all are the coolest cops in the world, man. Like, you know, and it's because I know y'all are educated, y'all, you know what I mean? And God, every time I've had a dealing or with y'all for anything, just pulled over, sleeping in the car, whatever, y'all are all cool, man. Really reasonable people. And so I will be as respectful as you guys are.
It's funny because, like, I watch some of the videos. It's funny, like, some of the guys are like, oh, I see you every day. And I'm like, he must drive the same route.
That AT&T guy, I actually had to change my route up. Because the McKinney officer, I think he's a corrections officer. He got a little aggravated.
Saw that one as well, I think. Be aware of that stuff.
I got you. I know it's all. I know you guys are looking now, so I will definitely.
Especially in
I won't be in Plano.
Right. Once you hit that North City limit, man, I mean, that's Alan's from.
Gotcha.
So, you got any questions for me?
No, man, I appreciate you coming to me like this. It's so cool. Like, thank you for not bombing me with.
Dude, your YouTube's doing good, man. How many subs you got?
2275.
That's awesome.
And I'm kind of trying to. That's why I'm sort of taking it in a different direction. Where I'm working on a bike, I'm getting new bikes. I'm kind of trying to take it away from riding so much as like just other things, events. You know.
Do reviews or anything on products?
No.
You should think about, like, you know.
Well, they got to spend money to do that. Everything costs money, you know. So I'm working on it. Just getting a budget. I'm not monetized just yet. Just have to get more views.
Yeah, keep working on it. All right, man. Hey, take care. Good to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Be safe out there.
Yeah, you too.
Watch out for the other people.
All right. Thank you again.